In this video, I'll quickly show you how to use both scanners on the HP Deskjet 4155e, the flatbed scanner, and the document feeder. Important steps only. 1. Place the document face down on the scanner glass, or face up in the top document feeder. 2. Load paper in the printer if you want a copy. 3. Without phone or PC, press black or color copy button. 4. With phone, PC, install HP Smart App. 5. Put printer in pairing mode. Hold X plus Wi-Fi until the power light flashes. 6. Open HP Smart, then add printer, then connect to Wi-Fi. 7. In the app, tap Printer Scan. 8. Select scanner glass or document feeder. 9. Adjust color or DPI if needed, then tap Scan. 10. Save, share, or print the scanned file.